our fishing destination. Yeah, we're using some squid. Yeah, stay tuned.
All right, so we're here in between some bridges due to weather. It was pretty rough out there today, so we are here close to Big Pine. Not exactly the weather we're looking for, but it's all good. We're just having fun. Caught a little mutton so far, and a blue runner. Oh, and also a croaker. But hopefully the weather permits and we can create some good videos for y'all. It looks like a storm is trying to roll in here. That's not good.
Your best fishing spots in Marathon, Florida.
Yeah, let us know. That way we can go scope some out. Hopefully we get to check out this reef about like 6 miles out. Stay tuned.
It was a crazy mission getting in there. First time in the Keys on the boat, and a lot shallow areas, so if you're not familiar, definitely get a doorman so that it can help you understand.
On the boat. We can't go offshore because it's a little windy out here. So yeah, we're gonna try fishing near some bridges. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. We on right now?
Maybe it's a mutton.
Nice.
Hey, we should totally stay here. Found a mutton hole. Hey, chum it up, let's chum it up. Look at that, nice little mutton. Where there's a small mutton, there's a big one. Look at this.
Nice.
Yeah, hey, let's
mutton. Let's keep doing this. Casting net, trying to catch some live bait. Let's see. Attempt
I'm gonna do a boomerang.
one. Let's go.
Right there. Ready?
Attempt. Let's see what he catches. Nothing. Dang, bro. See what we got? You're underwater. Attempt number 2 failed. As we're heading to the next spot, which is near the bridge over there. There's gonna be some better fishing. Yeah, stay tuned. We're on right now. Whoa.
Hey, get down, stand right.
That one?
Yeah, it's tiny.
It's tiny. Damn.
That looks like another man.
baby.
Striker.
Yeah.
What is it? Smoke?
Striker.
We on? That's a good striker, little guy.
Here, Joe.
Little guy. We on?
Oh yeah, that's the best one so far. That's a keeper. That's a keeper of mine. Not keeper of mine. Keeper.
Mangrove.
Mangrove. That's a mangrove for
I
sure.
haven't caught mangrove in so long.
That's a mangrove for sure.
Oh, what a mangrove! That's a gnarly one.
That's a good one. Finally.
Oh yeah, yep. That's a good 12. That's a good 12. That's maybe a 12 or something. Hey, that's a good 12.
I would say 10 and a half, 11 maybe. Ouchies. Watch your fingers.
No, that's a good 12. Buddy.
Hey. Hold on, let me
Is
put the
it big enough?
That's
small, but yeah, he's big enough. Let's take a look. You recording?
Push it all the way, remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
nice keeper.
11.
How big?
11. All right, you want to bleed him out?
Alright guys, finished fishing on spot 2. Now we're gonna head over to spot 3. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it is day 3 in the Keys, and we're gonna try fishing for new spots. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, we made it to our destination. We caught some bait so far, some little pinfish and grunts. You see them? Yeah. Alright guys, we made it to our second destination, the pier. Let's start fishing.
Guys, we on. Oh no! We lost him! No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Bro, there's a bunch there. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? That's a shark!
Oh shoot, he got a shark!
We got a shark. A little bonnethead or a hammerhead? Woo! We got a little shark, guys. Finally, some good video. Woo!
Woohoo!
Come on. Ripping it.
No, put it on the water. Hell no.
All right, hold on. Let me get this guy.
That's a big bonnethead. Look at that.
That's a hammerhead,
A bonnethead or a hammerhead?
Oh, good.
And let go.
Good luck.
And we got another one on. Oh no, we don't. Lost the bar.
Hey, we got one here, guys.
All right.
Oh, it's a mutton.
No, it's a lane.
Oh,
It's a lane.
and they gotta be how big?
That's a keeper, baby.
It's a nice.
That's so nice, little keeper. Yeah, it's a lane. Look, yellow. The mines have the blue. Oh my goodness, he's so cute.
He swallowed that.
He swallowed it though. Hey, but that's a keeper though.
Yeah, baby.
Oh shit, he swallowed that one good, man. Sorry, dude, I'm gonna have to get my hook back, my man.
Nice little lane.
Let's measure him real quick.
That's a nice. I think it was like.
Go.
That might be a 10. I don't know.
Hey, get bait down there. Get bait down there.
Oh, well.
Hurry up, Jax. Drop it. Let's go. Puppy, drop your bait.
Measure it.
Yeah, hold on. Hold this real quick.
Probably 11 or something.
Hold on, let me get some slack.
Labor Day deals arrive.
Oh!
Right now you get a
Hold on, this little.
extended capacity battery.
Hold on, I need slack, bro. Yeah, that's a keeper. They need to be 8.
Nice. We are on right now.
Get
Let's
it in,
go.
girl.
Get it in. Get it in.
What you got?
Oh shit!
Hey, up, real down.
Oh, it's another shark!
Ooh, that's a big one.
That's a big boy.
Oh, Jackson, do not touch the thing. You're gonna get cut.
That's it. I got it. Let me just cast mine out real quick.
Oh my God, that's a big shark. That's a big shark. Put it in the water.
Oh shit!
Oh, take it under the boat. Take it under the boat. I thought you
Right
were
this way, right this way.
careful. Look at that thing.
Do not touch the thing. This is gonna take off.
We got lucky last time it dehooked by itself. This is gonna be hard.
Damn.
It's all good. Ooh. Ooh. Something's going on.
Something is going up there.
Let me see. Hey, mommy finally caught a fish.
Not the fish I wanted.
Hey,
Right this way.
it's still a nice little catch. Ow, that hurt.
Sorry.
Oh, that's a nice catch. All right.
Joe. Joe, up in there.
Go, 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 go!
Joe.
I think it's another shark. It's another shark.
Jackson,
Jeez.
Jackson, get this out of the way.
Shark County up in here.
Oh my God.
Hey, come this way.
Oh shit, that's a different type.
That's a bigger one.
Oh, I got it. That's the biggest shark.
Hold on. I don't want to lose my hook, buddy. I'm gonna help you out.
Is that a bonnet or what is that? Is that a bonnet?
Damn, is that all there is here?
Hey, it's good bites though. Like, oh yeah. They're on.
What you got?
Another bonnet. What's up with these guys, bro?
Oh,
I'm good.
so many of those here.
Way too many. See ya.
Damn, I should have known.
Might have another one on. And we're on. Got another one on right now.
Come here.
Oh yeah! Nice fish.
Oh, no, I gotta get this one. I don't think this is a shark though.
You want me to reel that one up?
Oh shit, that's a shark.
It's another shark?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, I think it is. Let's see. Yeah, shark. Damn, there's a lot of sharks out here.
What's up with these guys, man?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Jack.
Leon! Ooh! Shark again? Oh my god.
Oh shit!
Man, let it be a big old button.
Wait, I'm getting stuck to somebody. No! Oh
sit. One more.
Let's see that shark. Here, Letty.
Here, reel this up.
Here, I got it. I'll reel it.
Reel this up. Thank you.
Nice shark.
Come here, little guy.
Baby.
There's so many of those here.
Alright guys, we're gonna reset. We're gonna try to find some new spot. We're gonna try to avoid these sharks. Yeah. Run. No, we're not. Alright. Anyways, guys, this is our final day at the Keys.